Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I wanted to go ahead and review with you some numbers. Today is our number challenge. So what you are going to do is show me all the numbers you know, 1 through 59. I want you to remember which way your palm is facing, right? Some numbers our hand is facing this way. Some numbers our hand is facing this way. Some numbers our hand is showing a little bit of movement, okay? So I want you to keep those things in mind. I would like you to practice with me a few times, and then when you're ready, go ahead and upload your video or send me a video with the numbers 1 through 59. I want you to practice the things that I had commented on your videos. So some of you, for example, let's say you're moving your hand like this after each number. You need to keep your arm still, okay, and sign all of your numbers, okay? You can move your wrists if some of the numbers need your wrist to be moved, but this is not how we sign some of our numbers, okay? I'm still seeing that, and I've commented many times for you to keep your arms still, right? And then go ahead and sign some of your numbers, okay? So you need to keep that in mind, okay? Pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. I keep my hands still so that it's easy for you to read my signs. And when I'm reading your signs, it makes it a lot easier if you're keeping your arms still, okay? So in sign language, we don't move our arm at all. We move our wrist back and forth when we're doing our numbers. And we have a little bit of movement like when we do 22, 33, 44, 55. There's a little bit of movement, okay? So I want you to be paying attention to how I move my hand, how I move my arm to see if I do that, okay? So let's go ahead and begin. Remember, with 1 through 5, our palm is facing us, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? We turn our hand around. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, we turn our hand back around. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, turn your hand around. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See, watch how I keep my whole hand still when I sign 21, right? I'm not doing 21, keeping it still. 21, 22, there's movement. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, okay? 30, again, you have to keep your arm still, okay? Keep your arm still. We're not doing 31, okay? Keep it still. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, okay? So notice how I did not move my arm, right? I did not do this after every single number, okay? Keep it still, okay? And another thing that I did, notice how I signed them nice and slow, and I paused a tiny little bit after each number, right? 51, I held it for a little bit. 52, 53, I went nice and slow, okay? So I want you to do those things. when you sign your numbers, sign them slow so I can be able to see, right? If your numbers are nice and slow and you're taking your time to sign each number correctly, they're clear, okay? That's what our goal is for sign language for our numbers, to make sure our numbers are correct, to make sure our numbers are nice and clear, okay? It is your choice if you want to challenge yourself, turn your voice off, or if you want to go ahead and use your voice to help you count, that is okay. But I will be commenting and letting you know if you need to redo your video because some of your numbers are not correct, okay? So make sure your numbers are correct. Make sure you're only using your dominant hand, okay? Notice how none of my numbers, I did 41, right? 51, I didn't do that. Use one hand, your dominant hand, meaning the hand you write with, okay? So those are the things that I want you to work on, okay? Arm is still. You're doing your numbers nice and slow so I can see your clear numbers. And make sure on certain numbers, your palm needs to be turned around, okay? So good luck. Send me a video of numbers 1 through 59 when you're absolutely ready. Please practice. It makes it so much easier, so much smoother, so much more clear when you practice before you make your videos, okay? Good luck.